Bantu Hebrew secrets. In Isaiah 40, verse 21 to 22, we read, "Have ye not known? Have ye not heard? Had it not been told you from the beginning? Have ye not understood from the foundation of the earth? It is he that sitteth upon the circle of the earth." The Hebrew word for circle, kog, is the Kikongo kong. Kong is Kongo. The Hebrew kog is defined as circle, compass, or sphere, used for the arch or vault of the sky. This definition is also valid for the Kikongo word kong or kongolo. To sit in Bantu culture denotes the concept of government and authority. The king judge takes his seat. Thus we understand that the divine authority is seated in Kongo. The circle Kongolo is a symbol of divine power. Bantu Hebrew Secrets. Subscribe for more.